Hey, Sam here with Vive Health, and we're going to go over our knee ice pack. This is one of our top selling products here. This is an awesome product. It's got a great material to it, super strong, really comfortable. It's got 3 ice packs in here. This is our Artiflex ice pack. I'm going to pull one of them out. So you can actually pull these out, put them in the freezer. So you don't have to put the entire brace in the freezer. You just pull these 3 out, put them in the freezer for a couple hours, put them back in into the brace. So I'm going to put this one back in real quick and then put the brace on for you. And once again, it has 3 ice packs. And what's really nice is most ice braces only have the ice packs in the front part of the knee. But ours has an ice pack in the back part of the knee. It's right in here. So if you have an ACL injury, an MCL injury, anything in the back part of that knee, this brace is for you. So this is how you put it on. You're just going to place it over top of the knee like this. You're going to take the back part underneath, Velcro it on, do it on the other side. To whatever tightness level you want. You can move around with this. If you are moving around, it might slip down just a little bit. You might want to pull it up. But for the most part, it's going to stay there pretty stable. And you can ice this for 20-30 minutes. Our ice packs stay colder longer than any ice pack in the industry by 4 minutes. So this is an awesome product, and that's our knee ice brace.